It is Saturday of staycation weekend with my sister. We are going to head out for some coffee and brunch, etc. today. So I'll take you along with me. We're still trying to do it on the cheap just to see what kind of experiment we can do. I'll sum up everything at the end of each day in terms of how much we spent and everything like that. So thank you again for watching, and we will continue on our day. Rainy day. So this is the TKTS booth, and you can get kind of discounted tickets if you're interested, but I still recommend my TDF membership if you have, if you're qualified for it, because you get it for a lot cheaper. There are a few of these coffee shops around the city. It's called Motto Espresso. Everything's $2.50. We're going to the one on 6th Ave and 46th Street. The special today is espresso, banana, oat milk, and dates. For the pre-brunch snack, got a spinach barrica, latte, and a cold brew. And this was all $7.50 with tax, $8.17. Look at that cross section. Okay, so we're walking back from our snack, but there's our building. We're at the very top. And also right below it is Sweeney Todd, which is the new show on Broadway. It has Josh Groban in it. We have been entering the ticket lottery and have not been winning, but we've been trying to get any of the tickets, except for Wicked, because for some reason Wicked is $64 for the lottery tickets, which is very pricey if you don't know. We're at the Salvation Army at 46th and 10th. Second floor has furniture, and the third floor has clothes. Reading is fun in quotations, but also depending on size. It's weird. Look at him. On our way through, stop by Rockefeller. We're going to brunch, by the way. That guy's going fast. Walking across 5th Ave. Are they bears or are they like gold? We made it to our brunch location, and I have a deal. So it's $49 for 2 people for entree and unlimited beverages for 90 minutes. And this is Crave Fishbar. There's a location here on Upper East, and there's also one someplace else. So the deal came with 1.5 hours of either Bloody Mary, mimosa, or beer. Sushi bowl, fish and waffles. You can keep talking. We are on our trip to Bloomingdales and maybe Daiso, but there's also a helicopter on the top. My sister just pointed it out because she definitely like observed it before me, but it's definitely on top of that skyscraper up there. Going into Daiso now. Lazy, sprint, and dying. She looks like she's up to something. These are funny. They're only for Norfolk. These are so funny. Also, this one's a derp. Since it's Japanese, it doesn't finish with like this. Keep it simple, stupid. It's a duck and a panda. Chimps and not chimps. My sister also wants you to know penguins and not penguins is an option. There is a seal. They've actually switched out the Rilakuma stuff. There's some options now. Well, this is like BT21. It's the BTS stuff. And Line Friends. Thomas and Friends tissues. It is actually corn. We're going to Bloomingdale's on 59th, I think. We're getting there. Okay, so yes, we are on 59th and 3rd, and we're gonna go into the Bloomies. Okay, so here we are at Bloomies. We got free banana pudding at Bloomingdale's. So my sister is gathering data as I consume my banana pudding. I consumed all my banana pudding, but it is Women's History Month, so there is some free stuff going on right now. So right now I'm just going to collect some info. This is kind of fun. Well, I mean, that's not much to look at, but here. We're in the elevator.
Reservations king in New York, so.
Not that I could ever afford it, but this Chanel bag is quite cute. This one here, not that one, but this one. So we stumbled upon this cup of launch party. We just got some mocktails at the cup event. Since I made my sister's clothes, because they're technically mocktails, so just so you know, these are mocktails. My sister has to know. Deceptive marketing and also not playing for that deceptive marketing.
Camera you want me to?
Yeah. So a lot of this is pandering. My sister has some opinions.
With like mass communication and the event of advertising and making things so you get people in the doors and then they're like suckered into buy stuff that they don't need, but it's free.
We have held strong and not bought anything. But it also looks like there's free stuff this way, so. Run, don't walk. We were just part of an integration, but we got some cotton candy. Hey, buddy. We actually stumbled upon that free stop at Bloomingdale's, so now we're going to go to the Japanese market. So we're going to take the train, so it'll be $2.75. On our way to a Japanese market event. We are on our way to the Japanese market, which is going to be at the Kitsune Cafe, or Cafe Kitsune. So that's fun. It's going to be a free Japanese market for today because of the Hanami festival. I think it's probably where that queue is. So we made it to Maison Kitsune, which is going to be where the Hanami festival is. And this is the info. By the time you see this, very far past the state. This is going to be the yuzu, and then this one is the oichi. This one is the original. The other one was quite light, not too heavy of a flavor. We have decided to walk from about West Village to maybe Chinatown. I don't know, we're kind of deciding as we go. Look at these fun murals. I have been informed it's golden hour. We are going to go into GU, which is Uniqlo, but like kind of less expensive Uniqlo. We're waiting online for the Summer Fridays event, but also look at these fun skeletons. Free samples. It was unclear if the pizza was free or not, so we decided to jump out of the queue and explore Little Italy and Chinatown. Making our way towards Little Italy, and then we'll do a shot backwards so you can read the actual words. This restaurant has a nice outdoor space. It's like actually kind of permanent, which kind of stinks when the city council changes stuff. We are switching very, very quickly into Chinatown mode, so the little lanterns have changed. Try to get dinner at Kopitiam. Kopitiam sunrise, and it comes in like a little fun juice pouch. They also have a fun thing that if you post on your Instagram story, you get a free milk tea. It's the Tok Tok noodle. Posted the video for the free milk tea. This is the awesome laksa. This was really good, highly recommend. The prices were pretty good actually. In a crazy Saturday night fashion, we're going to M&M World. sheer perspective, our room is all the way up there by the W. Like there. They changed out the floor mats. I said good morning this morning. And then a lady was like, oh, they changed out the floor mats.